Hi guys, it's Kim again, your new Vey bestie, and I'm back with another video. So, kakatapos ko lang mag-reply ng mga messages ngayon. And one most common question pa rin, at paulit-ulit ko na siyang na-receive before pa, is yung how to become a VA, how to apply. If super serious talaga kayong maging VA guys, kailangan nyo mag-invest ng time and kailangan nyo ng dedication to learning kasi hindi siya overnight process. It takes time, skills, and the effort. Kaya ngayon, meron akong isi-share sa inyo na AI prompt na pwede niyong gamitin as a step-by-step guide kung paano maging VA. So, pwede niyo itong i-type sa ChatGPT or any AI na comfortable kayo. Ipipin ko siya dito sa comment para mas madali niyo siyang ma-copy and paste sa ChatGPT or any AI tools. And again guys, itong AI prompt na to will not make you a VA overnight, but it will give you clarity and a direction. And again guys, remember that learning is a real investment. The more effort that you put in, the more confident that you'll become. And again, disclaimer lang guys, hindi ako pro VA ha. This is purely based on my experience, VA journey. I'm really new in the industry. So, ginawa ko din to before nung nag-start pa lang din akong mag-apply. So, if you're really serious in becoming a virtual assistant, start learning one step at a time. Okay? So that's it for today, guys. And if you want to know more VA tips, if you have other questions, leave a comment in here and I'll try to answer that on my next video.